Dear guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching new video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. See on the screen hotel location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and ratings online that are given players to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 7.0, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and reviews, etc. Category 3. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen. This will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts Mishka credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is in of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Rules and offers are for booking or more details, check description below. If you are facing any kind of problems in booking while commenting, we will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.